Hi everyone, Extine here. Welcome to Wigs Philippines, the original. For today's video, I'm going to show you some of the new wigs that we just finished today. Alright, so try natin. So for this one, ito siya. This is for Sir... Anyway, basta, for one of our clients. So meron pa tayo, hindi pa natin nakakat tong excess fabric. So ito yung lace natin. So kapag nakat yan, this is how it looks like. But right now, andyan pa siya. But we need to cut it off. And wala pa tong tag. Alright, so kakatapos lang. So most likely completion nito probably tomorrow. So hindi pa siya super finished. And then washing, then after that, okay na. So I just want to show you this. Again, hindi pa yan na-cut. This one, hindi pa na-cut. But I just want to show you how it looks like kapag nasuot siya. So i-hook ko lang ito. So this is under Sir Idanan. Okay? So this is our first wig. So try lang natin. Alright, so this wig, ayan o, kita nyo dyan pa yung ating fabric and yan yung ating excess lace. Ika-cut lang siya. Yeah, here it is. Okay. Ayan siya. So as you could see, di ba, parang dark lang kasi nga hindi pa natin, or meron pa kasing excess fabric inside. So for this one, ayan. So as you could see, kakatapos lang nito silk press treatment. But of course, after silk press treatment, i-ano na natin siya. Wash lang kasi medyo may amoy pa siya ng gamot. But right now, ayan siya. By the way, the style of this hair is bob. So, ganito yung itsura ng wig. If ever magpapagawa kayo ng bob, ganyan siya. So, once makat to, medyo gaganon niya ng onte kasi right now it's long. But once you cut it, talagang magaganon siya. This one is a free parting. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Alright, so ganda niya, di ba? Very fine. This one is rebonded. Alright, second one naman is also the same as this one. However, ito kasi, di ba, lace siya. Lace, ayan, lace. This one naman is a silk base. This one is a silk base. Ayan, kita nyo. Anit na anit talaga siya. This one naman for Sir RS. So, kung makikita nyo, sobrang ganda niya. Diba? So, ang ganda rin ng pagkakariban. This one is a bit shorter pa. So, ika-cut pa to dito. Ayan. So, this one is a layer 10 inches kasi yung pagka-style niya. But, I just want you to know na mahaba talaga originally yung mga hair before natin makuha yung actual style niya. But, I just wanna show you how it looks like before yung super finalization. Alright? So, again, this is for Sir Danan. Very nice and beautiful. It will be a bob. Alright? So, next naman, for Sir RS, ito, try natin to. So, this one is a silk base. So, I'll show you the inside cap. So, ayan siya. Very traditional lang. Okay, so wala pa akong nilalagay na label. But of course, paano ko nalalaman kung kanino? May mga ganito lang ako, masking tape lang. So kahit i-wash namin siya, hindi siya natatanggal. Alright? So this one, silky straight din siya. Sobrang ganda ng pagkakagawa dito. Ayan o, grabe. Ayan. I'm pretty sure after washing, ganyan pa rin siya. So again, this one, ang desired length lang nito. Yung layers niya okay na eh. Ito na lang, babawasan na lang to hanggang dito. But that's probably it. Ayan, ang ganda niya. Very beautiful. Grabe. It's just so nice. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan siya. So, need lang din i-cut to. Itong black na yan. Ika-cut lang din natin yan inside. Para mas maganda siya. So, it's very beautiful. Ito na to eh. Onting cut na lang sa ends. Manipis lang, very manipis. Ayan. So kapag ipuponi mo siya, ayun lang yung hair. Sobrang onti niya lang. Kaya very natural looking. Kasi normal hair naman natin, depende, diba? So ito, sobrang nipis niya lang. And ganito yung gusto niya. And sobrang ganda. Right? Okay, next naman, ito kaka-construct ko lang. Basically, kailangan pang i-cut. Saan na yun? Okay, for Sir Miko. Saan na yun? Sir Miko. Okay, this one. Okay, Sir Miko, this one, hindi pa siya tapos, but I just want to show you na fully completed na yung wig. Ayan, assembled na siya. Kailangan na lang namin cutting and some treatments na lang. But this one, how it looks like, Sir Miko, buo na rin siya. Alright, so for other wigs, for Miss Mia, currently coloring pa. It's currently 8 o'clock na in the evening, pero we have to finish everything. And yeah, for others naman na pick up tomorrow for Sir Max, onti na lang, under treatment pa to. Alright, and also for this one, ito, look at this, for Sir Ramon, this one will be styled pixie. So ito maganda to once magawa ko kasi look at it, 'di ba? Hindi yan lighting effect lang. Ano siya, meron siyang white hair. So mixture siya, ayan oh. Black and white. Ito akin pure black, ito black and white hair. So, or should I say gray hair. Alright, so ganyan siya. So this one sobrang frizzy nito. Then nirebond din natin and we're going to apply silk press treatment pa para talaga mas mag-silky straight siya kasi alam niyo naman ang hair texture talaga ng elderly is super kapal and this one is super frizzy. So ayan, I'm very excited how it will end up after natin siya ma-style. Alright, so ito lang yung mga quick updates ko for you guys. And I do hope that you'll have a wonderful week ahead. Alright, so thank you for watching. My name is Agustin, your wig maker here at Wigs Philippines, the original. God bless. Bye!